So we're really not too big on this chandelier here, or that chandelier there, or that chandelier over there, or those drop lights here in this house we just bought. Well, we bought it a while ago, but we don't really care for them, so we're gonna go ahead and change them out. And also, I guess maybe it's supposed to be a fancier fan or something in the living room, but that fan doesn't match any other fan in this house. So folks, shortly after hanging this thing up here, I did change it a little bit. They had it designed to hang from cables, and I decided to not go that route, and I just hung it and took the ends off, ran them through, put the nuts back down on them, and I mounted it like this. I really like the way it looks. Always make sure you cut your power off out there on the breaker box whenever you're doing this kind of stuff. You don't want to zap yourself. It's not fun. But went ahead and got the small chandelier down. Go ahead and put the new fixture up there. Got this light fixture up there. Looks a lot better. Matches that one somewhat. We're going to get this fan pulled out of here. And I mean, it works, but we don't really like it. So we're going to put something else up here. Something a little more in our likings, and get it all wired up and let her go. And these ones here, I'm gonna get rid of those because I don't like their stuff hanging down. And I'm gonna put drop lights in there. Or not drop lights, but I don't know what they call them, pop lights maybe? That's similar to that is what I'm gonna do. Just that way everything's just up, out of the way. This old chandelier that was here, I had to raise it up because I couldn't even walk around it. It hit my shoulders. It was that low. So, we like it. We thought about doing a fan over here, but I don't know if having a fan that close to the kitchen with these heathen dogs in here might stir up a little bit of dog hair. Because these things, they like to shed. Huh, Mooser? Mooser. You like to shed? Heck yeah, I like to shed. Little Lily. We're gonna go ahead and snake this fan out of here. Put something a little better in there, in my opinion. Y'all see the process and let me know what y'all think about it. Got that fan assembly together. All I gotta do is get in here and hook. There's a wire up there, that's the remote wire. I gotta tuck back in there, I guess. Didn't realize I pinched that. But put these fan blades on and wrap it up. So there it is, 72-inch fan. It seems pretty big in here, but it's got a dimmable light. Camera doesn't pick it up very well, but it's got dimmable light. And then the fan itself, maybe. Oh, there we go. He's got to hit the up arrow, I guess. But yeah, it'll get after it, I guess. Very nice. Very nice. So we got everything wired up, hooked up, and I did remove this switch, which was actually in that location, shifted it over, installed this plate, which is the remote holder. But then we got a remote holder on the wall. I guess my hands were a little dirty. Got a hold of it a couple times, sadly. We'll clean it up though. Getting rid of these drop lights. I think that's what you call them. Doing some flush lighting. Open this area up a little bit. Fan looking good. I'll tell you this right now. A hole saw would make a lot quicker work than this drywall saw that I'm using. But there's a little bit of dirt up there. You can see it's kind of wet. I just cleaned it off. I had to clean it off on that one too. And there's a little bit you can see right there on that one. I haven't even touched that one yet, but there's like dirt or something on it. So when I installed it, they must have put or had some sweaty hands, is probably what it was. But we'll finish her up here. Two down, one to go. And I'll show you up here in the attic what I'm actually doing up there. That way you guys can kind of get a feel for it if you feel like doing it. So in my attic, I've got blown in wool. And right here is under one of the lights. And that's the supplied box it comes with. And you can select what temperature you want the light at, from 25K all the way to 6K. So it's not a bad gig. I got them at 5. There's that one right there. I just gotta wire the box in. I've got my breaker off. I still got the wires are separated, but I'll have to wire it all in. And then once I get it done, I'll be able to cut the breaker back on. But I've went and cleared out a spot around every one of these as I went, or as I'm going. That way I can clear, or I won't be pulling down my insulation while I'm sawing. So give yourself a little bit of a gap. This side I've already filled back up here. You can see I've already filled this up, and that one has to be wired and then filled, and then cut out, wired, and then filled. And I've got the box mounted right here on this stud. So nice and stout. And just like that, everything's tucked away, hidden, and done. We can get out of here because it is hot. And there you have the finished product. We like it a lot better than what was there. It opens the area up a little more, makes it seem a lot more spacious, because they had them 3 drop lights in here. We got rid of that. So here's what we did. Put those 3 flush lights in. This new chandelier, I don't really call it a chandelier, it's just a light fixture. Put that in. 72-inch fan. This thing gets after it. Let me tell you. We put this one in here. Same as what's in over there by the kitchen. We just wanted them to match, so we did that one there. And a new fixture over the table. Real jam up. It matches our table. And I've just got a cluster of stuff here that I haven't finished picking up, but we like it. We like it a lot. All right, so you guys just seen the installation of the fan and all the new light fixtures. We really like that. It's what we wanted to do. This house was brand new when we bought it, but it's not. Some of the finishing touches are stuff we didn't care for at all when we bought the place, but it is what it is, you know. Market's crazy right now. It's hard to find them, so they didn't want to change anything, so I guess we had to change it ourselves. Sorry for these dogs. I think Willard's tail just got up in the camera there, but they're all out here just enjoying it. But yeah, we don't really have much more plans to do. I do want to put one of these fans in the master bedroom, because they're something different. This thing's on a real low setting right now, puts off more air than the other fan that was here on its fastest setting. So we want it for the bedroom because it's nice to have a fan on in there, and these things are super quiet, so it's not like having a stick fan over in the corner blowing on you. So we really like that. Is that so? Well, anyways, let me know down in the comments below what you guys want to see, and like it, subscribe if you ain't subscribed, and I hope you did like it. Even if you didn't like it, like it.